Hello and welcome to The Pretty Fix, your ultimate online makeup resource. If the eyes are the window to the soul, well then, the eyebrows are the curtains, I guess? I don't know. Either way, they deserve a little decoration themselves, right? We're here to show you how to fill in your brows naturally in a way that looks totally realistic and keeps you so far away from the dreaded Sharpie brow that we're kind of seeing so often these days. This tutorial is ideal for those of you who want to give your brows a little pick-me-up and make them look more polished. If you feel like your brows are really mismatched, if you really don't have brows at all, or if you need some more work, we'll cover that in a more advanced tutorial. For the rest of you, let's get going. Step 1, gathering your tools. To fill in your brows in a way that looks really realistic, it's a lot easier to use either a brow pencil or a brow powder. There's of course so many different brow products on the market, but let's skip these for now because it's going to help us just keep everything natural and simple. If you decided you wanted to use a powder, you're going to need to get a small angled brow brush that has a spoolie on the back end in order to apply it. For extra credit, you can purchase a clear brow gel to set everything in place. If you need some recommendations, we have links right below the video. When you're choosing your brow product, make sure that the color you go for is similar to your natural brow color, but a little bit lighter. If you end up matching the brow hairs themselves, your brows will most likely look way too dark when you fill them in. Step 2, creating a plan of attack. Before you start filling, let's just take a quick glance at your brows. Ideally, your brow should be a little more sparse at the beginning, then become more uniform throughout the rest of the brow all the way to the tail, where it kind of softly tapers off. Notice I said the word uniform and not solid. It's okay to see between your brow hairs as long as it looks like this evenly throughout the brow. Take a little inventory of the best areas of your brow and notice the areas that are more sparse or could just use a few extra hairs to enhance the shape. These sparse areas are where you're going to fill. You really don't need to fill in the areas that already look good. Step 3, filling in. When filling in your brow, the best way to create a natural appearance is to mimic real brow hairs by using short hair-like strokes in the same direction as your brows are growing in that particular area. Brush through your brows with your spoolie to get a better view of where to fill, and then add some hairs where you need them. As you go along, you can keep brushing through the brows with your spoolie to soften and blend the color and see where else you need to fill. Remember, your brows shouldn't be totally solid, so less is often more. Once you get to know your brows, this whole process is going to be like second nature, and you'll literally be able to fill your brows in the blink of an eye. Step 4, finishing touches. As soon as you feel like your brows are nicely filled, just give them one more last softening brush through with the spoolie brush, and then brush through them with some clear brow gel if you'd like to keep them more groomed and set in place. That's it, you're done. All right, thank you so much for tuning into The Pretty Fix. If these tips were helpful to you, please show us some love by giving this video a like and make sure that you hit that red subscribe button along with the notifications bell to see all the other amazing tutorials we have coming your way. Also, head over to our website at www.theprettyfix.com for way more expert makeup advice so that we can get started solving your beauty dilemmas.